I'm Brenda and welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. We're going to grill today. What we're going to work with, look at that. Look how pretty that is outside today. Doesn't that just call for a grill day in Kentucky? That's what that calls for. I've got my stuff sitting here that we're going to use. Look here. Yeah. Skewers. That's what we're going to do. And get y'all down here to where you can see what's happening. I've got some chicken tenders here. Now, I'm going to do these several different ways. I've got a rub over here I'm going to tell y'all about. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to let these marinate. That is some, sorry, let me grab it. That is some pineapple. Yeah, you know where I'm going with this one, right? Let's do some tropical. That's pineapple. Lime juice. You can put lemon in there if you prefer lemon. My choice is lime. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons in there. Look at that. I keep missing it. We're just going to spread it around on there. Now, if you have actual limes in your house, then you go right ahead and do that. Believe me, I would if I did. This is a coconut juice. It actually has the pulp in it. So I have to drain it. You don't have to if you don't want to. But I need to. And we're just going to look at all those pretty little pieces of coconut in there, would you? But we're going to pour, I'm thinking that was about 3/4 a cup. You know what? I'm just going to let that go in there. Because I can always get that out before I put it on the skewers. Yeah, I like that idea. For sure. Now, let me rinse this off. Well, I just laid it over here. Let me stir these around just a little bit. Get me a spoon here because we want that to get all down in there and get those flavors into our chicken. Now, you can always put these on your kabobs and let it cook, but I wouldn't eat it. Really, I wouldn't eat it because it's touching that raw chicken. I wouldn't. But that's just me. All right, now we're going to push this one off to the side because I got one more over here that we're going to do. Y'all going to love this one. I know I already said that, didn't I? But you are. Alright, let's get this one set over here. Now we're going to let those marinate most of the day. Now, our next thing we have up is some beef tips. Look at that. Those look nice, don't they? Yeah. Put those in a bowl. Now, I've got a mixture over here. It smells so good. But I want to just stir that around a little bit and make sure that those are separated good. Now, what I want to do, I don't know why I got a measuring cup. I really didn't want it. But that's alright. I don't need it, I mean. Now, this is olive oil. You use whatever oil you like. I'm just going to put a little bit in there so that it's going to give this rub a little something to stick to. Now, all you barbecue fans out there, listen up. You're going to love this. Alright, we've got that mixed up. Now, I'm going to tell you all, I don't like giving out my secrets, but sometimes I say. But this is what we're going to put. Can y'all see that? This is what we're going to put on here, and I can tell you it smells so good. Oh my goodness. We use that for beef. We don't use it on our chicken. It might be good on chicken. I don't know. We haven't tried it. But this is our beef dry rub. But I'm going to sprinkle it on here. And I'm going to tell you what I've got in it. I've got, this is Swerve, brown Swerve. I have pink Himalayan salt. I have chili powder. Smoked paprika. Cumin, whichever. And the secret is out. Folgers coffee. I've got coffee in my rub, but I've got little packets here. I put 3 of these little packets in that, by the way. See, that's my little coffee holder. We don't drink the instant coffee. I use it in cooking and baking. I love to put it with chocolate. It tastes so delicious. Now, let's get this. My brown sweetener is chunking up on me a little bit. That Swerve. It tends to do that even with my little terracotta bear in there. It's chunking up on me some. Yeah, I put about half of that in there and I'm going to stir it up. Oh, that smells so good. Mm-hmm. And I know I didn't tell you how much of everything I put in there. Told y'all it's a secret. I just told you what I put in. It's up to you to figure out how well what your tastes are all about. Oh my goodness. Mouth-watering. That's what that is. Mouth-watering. Let me sprinkle the rest of this in there. Like I said, it's our dry rub, but I wanted to put a little bit of oil on there. Because obviously it's beef tips and I wanted it to stick to it. So we're going to let this sit and marinate its little self all up. And if you want to, you can always put a little bit of tenderizer in it. If you're concerned about your tips being a little tough, just put you some tenderizer in it. We're going to throw these on the grill. Now, we're not going to put them in the smoker. We're going to throw these on the grill. Smoker sounds like a really good idea. Don't it, Mike? That's right. Okay. There's that. Next time you see this, it's going to be over here on these skewers along with some delicious veggies. And we're going to have the chicken on the other one. So I'll be back then. These have been marinating for 3 hours. I think 3 hours. Sounds good to me. And we're going to go ahead and get these put on the skewers. I did use wooden skewers. And what I did was I took the leftover coconut water and I'm soaking them. Let me hold that up there. I can't tilt it too far. Have a big old spillage if I do. But that's what I soaked that in. You know, you always want to soak them if you're using the wood ones so that it does not catch on fire. Fire's not a good thing. You don't want one. So, this is what we're going to do. We are going to... Oh, I did go ahead and put a few green onions in there. And I'm going to hold this over top. You know what? Let me scoot this over here so y'all can see. Probably be a good idea. I'm sorry. And we're just going to thread this in. Like that. I'm going to try to stick 2 of these tenders on at a time on each one. And I'm just putting some onion. Now you put whatever kind of veggies you like. But I'm just putting, I pull it back out, oops. Like I ain't done this before. I'm just putting what I like on here. And, which is the onion, the purple onion, and some zucchini. So, and I'm going to put another bit of onion in there. So, I've got potatoes over here, but I'm not going to put them in this. And the reason for that is it's the little potatoes. So what I did was I went ahead and boiled them. They're already pre-cooked. And I'm going to put them straight on the grill. Okay? And just barely give them a little char. That's what I'm going to do with those. I've only done this twice before, y'all. So But I'm trying to show you how to do it. How I do it anyway. But a lot of people would maybe put some of the beef on with their chicken or with the pork or something like that. But I'm not going to do it like that because I can't eat the beef. Wished I could. But anyway, let's do this some more. And like if you have mushrooms, you like mushrooms, that would be so good I think on these. Really do. And I'm only going to do a few of these I think. And then the rest of them, maybe just do them straight on the grill. We'll see. We'll see how it all works out. But I've also got us a little salad made that we're going to have along with this. And see, just loop it right back on there. Pull it down too far again. Like that. And I'm just putting them right in between there. Alright, next on our list. Oh, let me go ahead and show you my potatoes real quick. And I've got, like I said, they've already been boiled, peeled. I put some parsley on them and some smoky paprika, and we're just going to put these straight on the grill. Just long enough to brown them up a little bit, you know. All right. Next on our list, some beef. This is the beef that you saw me preparing with that delicious coffee rub. So, should really be good. I think I'm going to put 2 pieces of beef on each one at a time. I believe I'll do that. Okay. I have an audience down here at my feet who thinks he's going to get a bite of this, I believe. Okay, I think I'm going to put just a little bit of barbecue sauce on there. And of course it's the GQs. On the chicken, that is. I'm just going to do a little shaky shake of it on one side here. Just like that. And we are ready to go to the grill. Tom's already got the grill heated up for us. And he's got the potatoes, so I think we're ready to head out the door. Let's do this. I'm hungry. Watch where I'm going. Get us set up out here. Here we go. How about that? Yeah. Okay. Now, we're going to get these put on the grill. And get you guys set over here so you can watch us. How about that? That sound alright? We can stay warm with this grill too. Because it was supposed to be 60 degrees here. I'm going to tell y'all right now. It ain't. I don't think it ever even made it to it. good sound, ain't it? Y'all like that? Nice sizzle. Oh boy, it's already smelling good. Yeah, buddy. You already know it. All right. There we go. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? One thing we have to do now is put our potatoes on there. I think Tom's going to take care of that. And we'll get these cooked up. See, just got to very gingerly put those on there. I think I would use my fingers to put them on myself. All right. We'll be back with y'all in just a little while. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh wow, look y'all. Isn't that just delicious looking? We're gonna find out here in a little while. We'll be back soon. So I have to say that when Tom and I first met, he didn't know how to cook. He didn't know how to grill. He never used a grill that I know of, but he's come a long way. He has. Since we've been married, he likes doing the grilling part, which is fine with me. Let's go out here and check on him. Let's go see what he's doing. What's he doing? We want to know what you're doing.
Tending the grill.
Look at that. Guys, it honestly smells as good as it looks. My. We better get over here out of his way, huh?
Of course, you know what the best part about tending the grill is? Samples.
Oh, yay. Samples are
Well,
awesome.
you gotta make sure it's done.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Delicious. All right, guys.
Stripping the meat.
Taters. All right. He is done. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Y'all know I'm fixing to stuff this face with some of this food. But first of all, let me get just a little taste of this chicken. So good. Look at him back there. Hi.
Hi.
Okay. We're going to get our plates going. Continue stuffing these faces. Y'all take care. Have a good weekend. Bye.